Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're diving into the top 5 best hot plates for cooking available on the market right now. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a premium choice, we've got you covered with detailed reviews to help you make the best decision. You can find links to all the products in the description below. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the Cusimax hot plate for cooking. This double burner option offers a whopping 1800 watts of combined power, making it one of the most robust options on our list. Its standout feature is its compatibility with virtually all cookware. Whether you prefer aluminum, cast iron, or non-magnetic stainless steel, this hot plate has you covered. The dual burners, 6.1 inches and 7.4 inches, are great for multitasking. Whether you're boiling water on one side and frying an egg on the other, the design is sleek and practical, with a black stainless steel body that's both durable and easy to clean. Safety is a big plus here. Features like overheat protection, non-slip rubber feet, and a thermostat-regulated shutoff ensure peace of mind during use. However, at nearly 10 pounds, this unit is on the heavier side, which might make portability a bit less convenient for some users. Performance-wise, the Cusimax delivers consistent, adjustable heat with its 7 power levels, but the cycling on and off of the heating light can be a bit distracting. While it's not the cheapest option, the versatility and power make it a solid choice for frequent cooks or those needing a reliable extra burner. Pros include its multi-cookware compatibility and high wattage, while cons include its weight and relatively high price compared to others in its class. Taking the number 3 spot is the Elite Gourmet EDB302BF countertop double cast iron burner. This budget-friendly dual burner option delivers a total of 1500 watts, split between its 2 burners, one 6.5 inches and the other 5 inches in diameter. It's perfect for cooking multiple dishes simultaneously, whether you're preparing dinner or just need to keep food warm. The adjustable temperature knobs offer low, medium, and high heat settings for added versatility. The design is compact and lightweight, making it easy to move around or store when not in use. Safety features include dual power indicator lights and non-skid feet to keep the burner stable during cooking. Cleaning is also a breeze thanks to the non-stick cast iron cooking plates. However, the lower wattage per burner means it might take slightly longer to heat up compared to some of the higher-powered models on this list. At just $27.99, the Elite Gourmet EDB302BF offers excellent value for those on a budget. It's ideal for small households, dorm rooms, or anyone looking for a portable and affordable solution. Pros include its affordability and dual-burner design, while cons include the slightly slower heating performance and basic design. In the runner-up spot, at number 2, we have the OVENTE electric countertop single burner. This 1000-watt hot plate features a durable 7.25-inch cast iron plate that heats up quickly and evenly, making it perfect for everything from frying to boiling. The adjustable temperature knob provides low, medium, and high heat settings, and the automatic shutoff feature ensures safety by preventing overheating. The design is simple yet effective. In the runner-up spot at number 2, we have the OVENTE electric countertop single burner. This 1000-watt hot plate features a durable 7.25-inch cast iron plate that heats up quick with a stainless steel base that resists warping and rusting. Its compact and lightweight construction makes it highly portable, perfect for dorm rooms, RVs, or small kitchens. Cleaning is quick and easy. Just wipe it down after use. However, at 1,000 watts, it might struggle with more demanding tasks like searing or rapid boiling. For $18.99, the OVENTE offers fantastic value for its price, combining affordability with practicality. It's best suited for occasional use or lighter cooking tasks. Pros include its portability, safety features, and ease of cleaning, while cons include its limited power and smaller cooking area. And finally, at number 1, we have the Elite Gourmet ESB 301BF number countertop single cast iron burner. This is our top pick for its unbeatable combination of affordability, portability, and performance. At only $16.99, it's the most budget-friendly option on this list, but it doesn't skimp on functionality. The 6.4-inch cast iron plate provides even heat distribution, and the adjustable temperature control allows you to switch between low, medium, and high heat settings with ease. The unit is compact and lightweight, making it highly portable and perfect for small spaces like dorms, offices, or even camping trips. Safety is also well covered, with a power indicator light and non-skid feet for added stability. While it's not the most powerful option at 1,000 watts, it's more than sufficient for everyday tasks like boiling water, frying eggs, or reheating leftovers. If you're looking for a no-frills, reliable hot plate at an unbeatable price, the Elite Gourmet ESB 301DF number is the one to beat. Pros include its affordability, portability, and simplicity. The only real con is its lower wattage, which might not be ideal for heavy-duty cooking tasks. But at this price, it's hard to complain. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and that it helped you find the perfect hot plate for your needs. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth product reviews. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help. See you in the next video.